Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to link your Ally account. I know, it might seem like a simple question, but I get asked about this all the time, and I figured it would be helpful to create a video on it. So, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Ally account. If you don't have an Ally account, you can create one here. Once you're logged in, click on the Transfers tab. Next, click on Link Other Accounts. This will take you to a page where you can enter the information for your other bank account. You'll need to enter the following information: account type, checking, savings, etc. Account nickname, optional. Routing number. Account number. Once you've entered all of the information, click on the Link Account button. Ally will then verify your account information. This may take a few days. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to transfer money between your Ally account and your other bank account. That's it. It's really that simple to link your Ally account. Here are a few additional tips. If you're having trouble linking your account, you can contact Ally customer service for help. You can link multiple bank accounts to your Ally account. You can also set up recurring transfers between your Ally account and your other bank accounts. Linking your Ally account is a great way to make it easier to manage your money. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.